Hello RJ, just going to do a quick demonstration here for you on our MapItFast GIS system. So you can see here is an area we do for CNRL beside you guys. All of the green are locations we spray that we've done bare ground control, as well as some of the blue and pink ones are roadsides that have been sprayed. So at any time with the system you can watch the guys drive around and spray the different locations, as well as you can zoom in to any particular location. You can click on the location, gives you your LSD, gives you the exact meters squared for the location. The guys walk around to take a measurement, and that's how you're charged exactly for what you get sprayed. If you go into forms on any one of these particular sites, it'll bring it up. You get notes, comments, as well as you got photos of the sites, photos of the signs, notes of what they've done there, as well as you got all of your information here for each site, when it was sprayed, weather conditions, who sprayed it. You could generate a report from here which brings it up into a nice PDF form. Lays out for you the application that was made, your size, your GPS, as well as your photos there, and that's what you'll see with your invoice when you're getting billed for the area they spray. You give any questions, feel free to give me a shout and I can come give you a demonstration in person. Thanks for your time today. Bye.